আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। শরীফ অনলাইন ইংলিশের পক্ষ থেকে সালাম জানাচ্ছি। টেক সালাম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। Just today is Friday. Today is our holiday. Our students are around me. They are trying to enjoy. They are trying to enjoy here. Every Friday they come here to playing football, to playing cricket. Today I'm going to here and there. Just I'm asking some questions from our students. May I know your name, please?
Sure, my full name is Umar.
Omar Farooq. I'm very much happy to talk to you. Your name is Omar, but how are you, Omar?
I'm also fine.
Fine. But what are you eating right now?
I'm eating ice cream.
Ice cream. Do you ice cream every day? Do you eat ice cream every day? Oh yeah, good job. Yeah, good job. Are you a student?
Yes.
What class are you in?
I'm eating class nursery.
Very good. Can you tell me your madrasa name?
Yeah, Global Education is.
Global Education Institution. Very good. Are you a student of Global Education Institute?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Yes. Are you student of Global Education Institute?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you everybody for your nice compliment. This is our natural beauty.
I'm a student GEI.
This is a very beautiful picture we are watching. We are showing the natural beauty. Thank you. So this is a very nice place. We are trying to throw a lot of garbage here. We try to clean our environment. So this is a place to keep our garbage every day. This is a sweet place. This place help us to clean our environment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.